in about 30.
Hey my coffee friends, check out my first pull with the bottomless on my new Gevi machine.
Nice, good donut effect. I went a little bit finer. Oh, I love using a bottomless. 24 and 24 seconds, not bad. Nice, right there. Let's 34 at 35, and that was actually the single dose button, so I didn't have to stop it. It stopped it on its own. 37 in about 30 some seconds. So again, not bad at all. Let's go ahead. Let's get this shot here and let's test it a little bit.
If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe and watch my full review video.